How's it going, legends? Hope everyone's having a great day. So today I want to talk about vibrato and bends. More on the vibrato side. These are all techniques that can make things just sound more interesting. Vibrato is just wiggling the note. That little wiggle you do. Bends, we'll talk about full bends. When you do bends, like I've done them so many times that I always do bends with vibrato as well. But the idea of a bend is that if you had, say, a scale or a little... Then that last note of the run, and I'm just doing 12, 15, 17, instead of fretting that note, you bend to that note. And then most people will put vibrato on it. These are just like techniques to add flavor to your playing. That's what it's all about. Think of it like the note is the steak. The vibrato is the sauce. You know, Zach Wild style, he's like really wide open with it. I'm very much addicted to vibrato when I'm playing. And say you take something simple, you got a power chord. Use those two notes, play them singles. Back one fret. And then vibrato that one. As always, I like to get carried away. And that's another big thing when you're doing these type of techniques and adding vibrato and bends and that. It's all about combining things. It starts with the basic patterns and shapes that I've taught you with, like easy death metal patterns. You got your picking techniques. Learning all these little techniques, and then it's up to you and your own imagination. How do you want to implement these? Do you want to, just keep the notes really chilled and... Or do you want to add a bit more flavor to it? You get the idea. Just adding that little bit of flavor just creates it more like more interest or more interesting sounds. And yeah, this is something I thought I'd talk about today, just techniques and how you can implement those into your playing. So give that a go with bends and vibrato. This one's probably more about the vibrato. Always love them on the pitch up harmonies. You can do them with the bar a bit too. You know, they're just such a cool technique. Probably next vid, I'm going to be doing one with tabs. So yeah, we'll be lighting that one up and creating tabs for my Patreon members. So thank you to my super supporters and my legendary supporters at my Patreon. Check it out, links below. We've got 94 lessons now for $2 a month. Or $6 if you want to hook that up a little bit more. Thank you to the subscribers. Welcome to all the new subscribers. If you haven't played today, just go light it up. You know what I mean? Let's just light it up. It's, man, distortion never gets old, I swear. You know, to my last dying breath, man, I'm just going to be... I could just keep going and going, but hey, I wish someone could just like, a riff out and someone can just tap it all out. We could put it all on the screen, but hey, the channel keeps growing, man, and I get, you know, some of the followings that people have out there, man. I'll have editors, I'll get this thing cracking off its head, and I'm really enjoying now just this informal, just off the cuff, talking to you right there, you know, just trying to get you excited. And I've got so many ideas swimming around inside my head with what I can bring, what I can talk about, attitude, mindset, this whole, man, yeah, I could probably save it for another one because it's definitely, man, there's an attitude when it comes to playing the guitar and what you're supposed to do with it, and it can't just be an enjoyable thing that you do that's just good for your mental health. Like, yeah, but it's going to be a whole other rant. I'll probably go on for freaking 10 minutes if I go on that tangent right now. So we'll cut it there, end it, and hey, take care of yourself, look after each other, go light up some wrists, man. And who knows, I might light up another one today. Got a day off tomorrow, so I'll light one up there. But hey, just keep loving it. That's what it's all about, man. Just the love of this instrument, the love of metal, distortion, just that, the sound, man. It still amps me up like I'm a little kid. So hey, go light it up and have a great day. I'll see you in the next one, legends. Catch us later.